안녕하세요, 여러분들. Hello and welcome to episode 103 of Korean with David. So today we're going to talk a little bit about the public transportation fares, so like paying for public transportation. So we're going to start with the regular fare, which in Korean you'll just see it'll say 일반, and this is just like normal regular fare. So that's 일반, 일반, 일반. A little faster, that's 일반, 일반, 일반. Now, if you're a teenager, and this is mostly for like middle school, high school students, they have what's called the 청소년. So, 청소년, 청소년, 청소년. So a little faster, that's 청소년, 청소년, 청소년. We've also have the children's fare, so it's like under a certain age. So that's 어린이. So that's 어린이. 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 So a little faster, that's 어린이. 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 Now, these are the three most basic. So when you ride the bus, a lot of times if you have to pay for yourself and the person behind you, if it's your friend, your family, your younger sibling, somebody, you'd have to tell the bus driver, like, 일반인 2명이에요. So it's like, 일반인, so regular fare, 2명이에요. So 2명 is like two people. So if we want to say, like, for one adult, one teenager, say, 청소년 1명, 일반인 1명이요. So we tell them like one teenager, one regular fare. And you'll hear it a lot, especially on buses. When it comes to subways, we usually have what's called a transit card, which can be used on the bus, subway, and even some taxis because it's a special card. They're called it a 교통카드. So that's 교통카드. 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 A little faster, that's 교통카드. 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 So we can use this card and we can charge it at the subway stations. There's a machine where you can charge and put more money onto it. The second way we can actually do it is just by cash, which is called 현금. So many times the buses or subways or everywhere, they'll have a sign that'll say 현금, and it'll tell you how much. So 현금, 현금, 현금. So a little faster, that's 현금, 현금, 현금. So today, 현금 or cash is only taken on buses and taxis. To ride the subway, you have to exchange the cash to get the 교통카드, the transit card. But the machines are all there, make it very easy, and they actually have updated them so that there's English, there's Chinese, Japanese, and I think Korean, and there might be more, but they try to get more languages there. Now, we also have the early morning discount. So when you get on like the first train, first bus, whatever, there is a small discount because not many people ride at that time, and that's the 조조할인. So a little slower, that's 조조할인. 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 A little faster, that's 조조할인. 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 So a lot of times with this, the early morning discount, we have to know when the first train, first bus, or first subway is. And so we have to look for 첫 차, which is 첫 is first, 차 is like the bus, train, subway, or car. So that's 첫 차, 첫 차, 첫 차. And a lot of times you'll see after that it'll say like 첫 차 오전 6시 30분 이전. So that's 첫 차, like we said, the first train or first car. 오전, it's like early morning, 6:30, 6시 30분. 6:30 이전. So after 6:30 a.m. is when you get it. But they also have like peak time and stuff like that. So you don't get it at like after, I believe it's like 8 o'clock or something like that. So it's a very short time. Now the last one we got today is the last bus, train, or subway, and that's 막차. So 막차, 막차, 막차. So 막차, 막 is last, and 차 again is like the car or the last ride. So 막차 and 첩차. Usually all the buses and subway stations, they'll have a sign posted somewhere like, this is the first car 6:30, last car like 11 or 12. They will tell everything there, and if you can't find it, you can always ask the worker and they'll be more than happy to help you out. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. If you did, feel free to send me questions, comments, concerns, whatever you'd like to learnkorean@gmail.com. Check out our YouTube channel. We're going to start updating that a little bit more as well. And thank you to my Patreons, Steve Boger, Diana Hernandez, Betsy Lantau, Ashley Rick, Tana B, David Liu, and Samantha Garcia. If you want to support me, check the link for my Patreon as well. And I hope you guys have a great week. 다음에 봐요.